Guacamole, the green gold. In a world of Mexican classics, this is a rock star. We're talking abuela-approved guacamole, the way she taught me. It's chunky, you see, not pureed down to oblivion. It's a living thing, a testament to the simple beauty of fresh ingredients, a taste of home, and a little piece of our history. Before we started using it as a topping for toast, there were the Aztecs who spoke Nahuatl. They named it guacamole. Guac comes from the word aguacatl, which means avocado. Interestingly enough, it also means testicle in Nahuatl. Yeah, you heard that right. Apparently, the Aztecs saw a resemblance, and well, you know. Mole means sauce, so literally guacamole means avocado sauce. A guacamole is only as good as the ingredients you use. You get a sad avocado, you get a sad guacamole. The stem is your sign of a good avocado. Pop that nub at the end and it should be a nice healthy brown. Brown is good, black is bad. Onions. I prefer red onions over white. They're a little bit more pungent and give it a nice kick. Chile serrano, 1 or 2, depending on how much fire you like to breathe. Remove the seeds and veins if you must, but a little spice is what makes the guacamole sing. Avocados. You'll need 2 or 3. They're sliced open in half, then the pit is removed by whacking it with a knife and twisting it out. Then the flesh is scooped out into a molcajete. Now the lime. Freshly squeezed, not that bottled stuff. You want that zing, that little kick in the pants. And don't forget the salt, a good pinch to tie it all together. Now, the fun part, mash it all together by hand. And you do not want puree or that liquid nonsense. You want big chunky bites. You scoop it out with some tortilla chips. You first get that creamy and oily texture from the avocado, rich nutty flavor with earthy undertones. Then there's the sour tang from the lime. The juice cuts through the avocado's richness to freshen everything up. Then you get a sharp kick from the onion that lingers for a quick second. But when the heat comes through, that's a steady warmth that spreads across your tongue and slowly develops into a nice burn. And that is a gentle reminder of the heat that lies at the heart of Mexican cuisine. This is the comfort food that is fuel for the soul. It's simple, yes, but perfect in its own way.